One interesting thing about investing in bond is that the actual money that you keep in your pocket does not come from the coupon payments or the interest rates that the bond promises to pay you. It is quite simple but a bit counterintuitive. And this is what I mean. Assuming that you want to buy a bond with a par value of $1,000 and the coupon rate for this bond is 5%, you can refer to this as the interest rate. It's the same thing, right? Duration of this bond is 5 years and the par value is assigned to this bond at the start of the contract. It is assigned by the government or by the company and it never changes throughout the duration of the bond. So it is very simple to say that every year you are going to make $50 because 5% of 1,000 is 50. So for 5 years, by 5 is going to give you $250. When it comes to the coupon rate or the interest rate, this is how much you should have taken home. But the yield is different from coupon payment. The yield is actually the money that you keep in your pocket. This is your take-home money. And this is dependent on how much you got the bond for in the secondary market at the time you bought a bond. So assuming that at the time you bought the bond was going for 1,100 in the secondary market, which makes this a premium bond. Okay, when you are calculating your yield, your take-home money, you have to take into account the extra 100 that you bought. So here it becomes your coupon payment minus the 100 extra or the premium you paid, which in this case leaves you with $150. All right, so what you realize here is that your coupon rate was 5%, but actually how much you are taking home is your coupon payment divided by how much you got a bond for, which leaves you with 5.5%, lesser than how much you would have taken home. So if it were a discounted rate, you would have made more money as well. So when it comes to bond, have in mind that how much money you actually take home is dependent on how much you paid for it in the secondary market.